So this is a great recipe because basically you can make two different cookies out of it. So the first thing we're going to do here is mix the wet ingredients. So you're going to take a bowl and mix brown sugar, sugar, and eggs together. And then you're going to add softened unsalted butter and maple syrup. And you're going to whip that together. And then you're going to get another bowl for the dry ingredients. And you're going to go ahead, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And to that, you're going to add a cup of oatmeal and 6 ounces of almonds, chopped or sliced. And this is what your finished batter is going to look like. So this is actually the pecan batter, but it will look the same for both. And this is that almond maple cookie. And for the next recipe, the only thing that you have to do is switch out. Instead of almonds, we're going to add pecans and the addition of a tablespoon of cinnamon. This is what the finished version of the maple pecan cookie looks like. This one's really, really good. So hope you enjoy. Any comments or questions, you can leave those below, and don't forget to subscribe.